Kosi River breach submerges villages in Darbhanga. Bagmati River breach worsens Bihar flood crisis. 45,000 homes lose power amid Muzaffarpur flood. Mass evacuations as floods devastate North Bihar. Bihar's embankments fail. Hundreds of homes destroyed. The flood situation in Bihar has worsened drastically, with embankments of major rivers like the Kosi and Bagmati breaching in multiple districts. In Darbhanga, the Kosi River, swollen by heavy rains in Nepal, breached its embankment near Kartarpur block late Sunday night, flooding Kirtarpur and Ghanshampur villages. The situation is equally alarming in Sitamarhi, where the Bagmati River's embankment in the Runhi Saidpur block saw seepage, threatening surrounding villages. With large areas already inundated, local authorities are scrambling to access the damage and respond to the needs of the affected populations. Furthermore, the Kosi barrage in Birpur has released a massive amount of water, adding to the flood risk in bordering districts. Authorities are accessing the situation as many families remain trapped in their homes, unwilling to evacuate despite the rising waters.
इस वार्ड के लगभग आप कह सकते हैं कि 500 से 1000 लोग अभी घरों में ही शरण लिए हुए हैं, जो कि बाहर नहीं निकलना चाहते हैं, लेकिन बाकी सब उनके अन्य परिजन यहाँ पे बाहर आए हुए हैं। कॉलेज में की गई है, जो कि यहाँ से तकरीबन 5 किलोमीटर दूर है। अन्य कोई व्यवस्था सरकारी होने उपलब्ध नहीं है, लेकिन यहाँ के ग्रामीण लोग घर ही में रहना ज़्यादा पसंद कर रहे हैं और जो भी व्यवस्था होगी हम लोग करा रहे हैं। किचन चालू हो चुकी है, पॉलिथीन बंटवा रहे हैं, मेडिकल टीम लगी हुई है, पशुपालन टीम यहाँ पे जो भी आपदा की।
Shivhar district is among the worst hit areas, with the village of Taryani Chhapra bearing the brunt of the floods. A massive breach measuring around 50 to 60 feet in the Bagmati River embankment unleashed torrents of water into the village, sweeping away homes and devastating livelihoods. Local residents reported that they had no warning of the breach and were left to fend for themselves as floodwaters engulfed their homes. The aftermath has left hundreds of families homeless, and many are still waiting for any form of assistance.
कुछ भी नहीं मिला यहाँ तक, कोई भी प्लास्टिक के लिए हम नंबर लगे हुए हैं, 10 बजे से भूखे प्यासे बैठे खड़े हुए हैं। कुछ भी यहाँ शासन में कोई सुनवाई नहीं रहा है, जो आ रहा है पीछे से आगे लेके चल जा रहा है, हम लोग लाइन में लगे हुए हैं।
Meanwhile, Muzaffarpur's Katra-Bakuchi power grid has been heavily affected by the floods, leaving 45,000 homes without electricity. The water from the Kosi River inundated the control room of the power grid, forcing officials to cut off the electricity supply to prevent further damage. Sunil Kumar, an engineer at the power station, confirmed that it would take time to restore power as the team is waiting for the floodwaters to recede before beginning repairs. This power outage has worsened conditions for those affected by the floods, who now face the challenge of living without basic utilities. With more rain forecasted and rivers still rising, the situation remains dire, and recovery efforts will need to be scaled up significantly to meet the needs of the affected populations. News Desk reports such the reality.